My name is Marlen Rangel. Today I will be sharing my research topic on group assessments and how it affects students' academic achievement and academic confidence. You might wonder why this topic. According to the American Test Anxiety Association, 16 to 20% of students have high test anxiety. The current education system places much value on how well and how poorly a student performs on academic assessments. What this system fails to understand is there are many students that test poorly not because of lack of understanding, but the anxiety caused by test environment. Students and educators work very hard every day to create positive learning communities in which students can effectively immerse themselves in the process. Test culture hinders this process by lowering students' academic achievement and deteriorating the academic confidence of students. Why not allow students to work, learn, and test together? Students can feel less pressure and fear and feel less fear of underperforming if they're among peers who can help them out in this collaborative process. The research question is how the use of group assessments can increase academic achievement and academic confidence. The hypothesis is when students participate in group assessments, both academic achievement and academic confidence will increase. The independent variable is group assessments. The dependent variables are academic achievement, measured by grades and scores on tests, academic confidence, self-reported. Data collection. There was a total of 13 questions on the survey used and taken by EDTE 514 students, graduate students. There was a total of 13 responses. The construction of questions was based on 9 previously used questions and 4 original questions. To ensure validity and reliability, participants were provided questions and comments, as well as suggestions on the research question and the survey questions. To ensure reliability, questions used by other researchers were included in the survey. Like I said before, there was 13 responses, 6 female and 7 male. Findings. In this sample, more female students reported experiencing test anxiety compared to male students. In the sample, more male students also reported feeling confident after taking a group test compared to female students. On average, females slightly prefer to take tests in a group compared to male students. On average, more Hispanic students reported receiving a higher grade on a group test than if they took a test individually when compared to other ethnicities. The results also showed that in this sample, more male students report feeling confident after taking a group test compared to females. Some of the limitations of conducting this survey were the following. First, this is a simulated survey. It is also a small sample size survey composed of only 13 responses. And some questions also showed some outlier responses that may have skewed some of the data analysis. Finally, you can find my resources and references right at the bottom of the page. Thank you.